everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful and very special Bengali recipe. We're going to make this fragrant and absolutely delicious Basanti Pulao, which is made with this very special rice called Gobindo rice. So let's get started and check it out. Gobindo rice is a short grain aromatic rice variety. It produces a unique and pleasant fragrance when cooked. It's also known for its sweet, buttery flavor profile. And this rice is a staple in Bengali cuisine and is often used in traditional dishes like khichdi, rice pudding and biryani. Wash the rice a few times, strain it completely and transfer it to a bowl. Just strain the rice completely, just make sure there's no water. And just transfer the strained rice to a bowl. So the next step is to just marinate the rice for about 15 minutes. To the rice I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, just a pinch of salt at this point, and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Just mix everything well. If it's easier for you to mix with your hand, you can do that. The Gobindo rice is just simply divine. The fragrance is so aromatic. Such a lovely and fragrant rice. So there you go. You can see I've mixed the turmeric and the ghee completely with the rice. Let this rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can start making the Basanti Pulao. I'm making this pulao in a deep pan. To the pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. The first step is to roast the cashew nuts and the raisins. So roast the cashew nuts till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. So as you can see, the cashew nuts are slightly turning golden. Now I'm going to add the raisins. Once you've roasted the raisins and the cashew nuts, turn off the stove, remove them from the pan and keep it aside. To the same pan, add another teaspoon of ghee. To this, next let's add the whole spices. I'm adding 2 small bay leaves, a piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamom and a few cloves. Just toast them lightly. Transfer the marinated rice into the pan. Keeping the flame on medium-low, just stir the rice. If you can find this particular rice online, please make sure you buy this one when you're making this dish. But there's another option, just in case you can't find the Gobindo rice, you can use basmati. After about a minute, add 1 piece of ginger, finely chopped. Just give that a quick mix. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and about 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now you can adjust the quantity of sugar and salt according to your taste. So mix that along with the rice. So some of you all might like it a little more sweeter. So you can taste it and then add a little more sugar if you want. For 1 cup of rice, I'm adding 2 cups of water. Maintain the flame on medium, just gently give that a nice mix. So finally I'm adding 3 green chilies slit. So it's just going to give you a very mild spiciness. Once it comes to a boil, close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. So make sure to seal the spout if there's any gap in the lid. After 10 minutes, turn off the stove. Wow, just look at that beautiful Basanti Pulao. The fragrance is just amazing. Just drop in the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Well, I can't just explain enough. Just look at that, looks gorgeous. Finally, I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. This is entirely optional. So as you can see, this beautiful Basanti Pulao is ready to be served. And it's cooked to perfection. Look how fluffy it is. It's just so fluffy and so fragrant. I mean, you guys have to try this dish. The Basanti Pulao can be enjoyed with any non-veg or veg gravy by the side. Well, it's time to taste this yummy and delicious Basanti Pulao. And the fragrance, let me tell you, it's something that I have never experienced before. And I can't wait to try it. It's so sweet and oh my god, the flavors are incredible. Wow, just one word, wow. I can't stop eating this rice. It's just as simple as that. Extremely tasty, wonderful flavors, and the flavor of that rice itself is so special. It's a must-try dish, guys. And the highlight is the Gobindo bhog rice. So if you can't find this, don't worry. The other option to this is basmati rice. So do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.